Greetings, greetings, greetings. So, Moses and Elijah turn up where Jesus did it and attack to him. Dead man attack with live man. You ever wonder how where them did attack about? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God attack to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now and drop one comment below and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 9 from verse 28 to verse 36. About 8 days after Jesus said this, him take Peter, John, and James go up in our mountain for prayer. Same time Jesus a pray, him face start look different, and him clothes start shine bright, like when lightning flash. All of a sudden, 2 men, Moses and Elijah, show up and I chat with him. One bright light did a shine around them. And them did a talk about how Jesus a got dead in a Jerusalem. All then time, Peter and Jesus, other 2 followers them, did fast asleep. When they wake up, they see the 2 men them a turn up with Jesus, and one light a shine around them. When the man them make for left, Peter said to Jesus, "Teacher, a good thing say we did there. Make we build up 3 shade, one for you, one for Moses, and the next one for Elijah." Peter never really know where him did that talk about. Same time Peter chat, one cloud come down, come cover them up, and then catch them afraid. Then hear one voice in a cloud say, "This a my boy picnic. A him me pick. Una fi listen when him say." As the voice don't talk, them see say a Jesus one did it. Jesus special follower them not tell nobody where they see and hear that time they just keep it amongst themselves. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.